Content Hub is a place to manage all the content visible on your website. Think of it as a tool to create pages or blog posts. To access the Content Hub, click the menu item under the sidebar. Here you will find a list of all the content you've created. To create a new item, simply click the Add button under the menu. You are now presented with a content selection dialog. You can select from 4 different types of content. These types are Program. Select Program if you want to write about a long-term activity that you support. Think of it as a permanent page. For example, if you have a color guard team that performs at various events throughout the year, this would be considered a program. Story. Select Story if you want to write about a less significant event. Usually a story is something that happened on just one occasion. For example, if you had a birthday celebration for one of your members, or if a special guest attended one of your meetings. Stories lose relevance over time as opposed to programs which stay relevant over time. Document. Select Document if you want to provide information for people visiting your website. For example, you can create a document to post your detachment bylaws or to share meeting minutes for your meetings. Upload. This type is basically the same as a document, except that you use it in the case that you already have an existing document, such as a PDF or spreadsheet, and you simply want to upload this file instead of typing the content. When you select to create a new content item, you are presented with a rich text editor. You will notice that the editor does not have a Save button. This is because your content is being automatically saved as you type. The editor supports the addition of media, such as images and video. Simply click the Image or Video buttons on the toolbar and select the media to add. You can adjust the size and position of your media. To rename your content, simply change the text in the title field. This update is also saved automatically. You have the option to add a thumbnail image to each of your content items. This image will be displayed on your home page to represent the content. To do so, click the thumbnail link under the menu and select the image you want to use. When you first create an item, it remains in draft mode. This means that it will not be displayed to your visitors until it is published. This gives you the flexibility to work on your content over time and even have other people collaborate from multiple locations. Once your content is finalized, simply click the Publish button under the menu. When your content status changes from draft to published, it is then made visible to your visitors for viewing. You are still able to edit content after it has been published. To do so, simply click the content item you want to edit and edit its content as you would when creating new content. Removing content is easy. Simply open the item in the editor and select the Remove option under the menu. Finally, confirm the removal.